Everyone, my name is Rafaeli, and in today's video, I will be showing you a very new cool feature that Go High Level just released. I just get to know about this morning. I don't know why I didn't get to know about this before, but it's such a great feature and something that I've been waiting for a long time now. So basically, now you have the options to add custom conditions slash logics in your forms and determine a specific action for leads which are choosing a specific option on one of your custom fields on the form. So what do I mean is all of you guys would have forms on your funnels, on your calendars, or somewhere, and obviously you would have custom fields on there as well. And in some instances, you might want a different action to be executed as compared to the usual one if the lead chooses a specific option on one of the custom fields or maybe multiple custom fields on your form. So for that thing, Go High Level has now released the option to add conditions in your forms. Before this, you would have to go into the workflows, add conditions in there, and determine um, the actions there. Maybe you wanted, let's say, if you have a booking form and there you have a custom field where if the client says no, you don't want to book a call with them. So for that scenario, you would have to go into the workflows and then add a condition and there add a action step of update appointment status to cancel, but now you can do it directly from here by clicking on disqualify lead. So it's just a very cool feature and I will show you how to set this up. So first of all, now we have this form as an example: full name, email, phone number with a button submit. Now let's add a custom field to it. I have multiple created, so let's use this one. Now, let's say, are you currently generating a steady flow of new leads each month? Now, let's say for this example, if the client on this scenario says yes, then for that you want to send them to a booking form and there you want to book a call with them. And if they select no, then in that case you want to send them to a VSL page. Now the one thing to remember here that is very very important is that the action that you select here on the form under options where it is on submit, what do you want it to do, or the action that you set up for the form on your funnel, that is going to be the first priority action that will be executed after the submission of form. So now let's say if like I gave you an example of this custom field where if they say yes, you want to send them to to the booking page, and if they say no, you want to send them to a VSL page. So in that scenario, here on submit on actions, we would go to options, and here we would say on submit open URL, and then we add the URL of our booking page here. Or let's say if this is on a funnel, there we can add a specific action to this form where we are either sending it to a specific URL on which there is the booking calendar, or we are sending them to a next step where is the booking calendar placed on your funnel. Whatever it is, like I said, whatever action you select from the funnel settings or the form settings here, that is going to be executed first. The condition would only come in a play for specific scenarios. Like you will be adding the condition for specific scenarios only. Like that's how I assume it would best work. That's how I would use it. So to add a condition, you can see there is this sign here. If you hover over it, it would say add condition logic. You click on it, and now first of all it is saying the action that you want to execute. Do you want to show them a display custom message, or do you want to disqualify the lead? And this one, I love this option, disqualify a lead. You can use it in your booking forms, you can use it in your opt-in forms for your sales team member and make it so easily and just put all of the bad leads out of your pipeline. Or you can send them to a redirect URL. So in our example, I said that if they say yes, they will go to the booking page, and if they say no, they would go to the VSL. So here I'm going to click on the option redirect to a URL. Here I'm going to choose the option like it will be always if, and then here I would go and I would say select the custom field is equal to no. In that scenario, send them to google.com, and then I'll just hit save, and that's pretty much it. I can edit it and add more and or and then options like this. We can add more of this stuff, but that depends on your customization and specification. So this is a simple example. If they say no, they would be directed to this custom URL. And let's say if they say yes, then in that scenario it is very simple. You would only go to options, and you would go here, and you would select the under on submit. Here you would add the option here. So now once you've added the condition, it is also saying conditional message will take precedence over the message and redirect here. So like I said, so once that is done, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you that's how you will be adding condition logics into your forms, and it is very very easy, and it's a very very useful feature to have for your forms, especially for your booking forms. It's going to be so helpful there. So that was pretty much the whole video. And if you like it, then please make sure to show some appreciation in the comment sections. And until next time, have a nice day ahead. Good.